Hey guys, today we're at Walmart getting the stuff because we're making slime.
And it is 9:06 at night.
Okay, let's go in. Okay, so we're in the glue section. Okay, this is what we're gonna get, I think. We're gonna get 4.
We can't find any
We're
sleeve.
looking for the activator. It is not over.
There is no activate. We're going to the arts and crafts.
So I don't know where the activator is.
We can't find it. We found it. Next to.
All we need.
We found Play-Doh air dry clay.
So
On the
shaving cream.
baby cream.
So these are. We're probably getting this one. Yeah.
We're going to get food coloring, and I think we already missed our exit.
Oh. So the last thing we're looking for is food coloring. We're in the cake aisle. Why do we not know where the food coloring is? Ew. So we made it out the store
Alive.
and we just need
We need air dry clay and
food coloring. We're in the Wesco bathroom.
this like
There was no food coloring or clay that we could find at Walmart, so we tried to go to the dollar store and they were all closed.
and our friend didn't let us.
Yeah, our friend works at the dollar store and he told us the registers were down, so he doesn't want us. That's what he said. We're back home and we are.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, and we got the stuff. We didn't get clay or food coloring, but
We got one food coloring that was at home.
this is what we got: glue, activator,
Shaving cream. And little thingies.
what are these?
They're little charms. And we got a drink to try. Which you?
We're trying this first.
The new Alani called.
Is it new?
Yeah. It's
Sherbet swirl.
their orange kiss one's pretty good.
I swear. Oh, because you're cool. Okay. Sherbet swirl on.
They need to come back with the winter one. It's supposed to taste like sherbet ice cream. Don't show me your reaction. These are your children.
10 out of 10.
I'm gonna give that a 4. Cause like it kind of tastes like this. Not really.
Bowl.
Bowl. Kaden, don't yell at me for using your bowl. Sorry.
She gets 2 glues. I get 2 glues. I get 3 glues. She gets 1.
But that's. Oh, those look so cute. Look, there's a little apple.
Oh, really? I don't care. Okay.
Shoot your shot. Oh, those are really ugly.
2, 1.
Oh.
These ones are cute. I'll show you the next one.
Cover your face.
Well, thanks, John Quiggy. And then you can show. Yeah.
You go first. Oh, these ones are cute.
These little, like, butterflies and orchid looking things.
These have smiley faces on them, but they're hearts.
And then you got fruits. Very good.
Let's get started because mine's going to be better than yours.
Okay. Oh my god, I haven't made slime since like.
I had a slime account. Go subscribe. Think you're better than me?
That's why your slime is. I don't know how to do it.
Jump, Cisco.
Go let him out. You're so mean. You're a. No! Oh my. That's sabotage. Can you on your face? What? Why would you go in with your hands?
More. Good. Thanks. Love you.
Love you too. Oh yeah. It will turn itself.
This girl. This looks like that GIF. Wait. GIF. I meant
That
oh, Puff. Fix the camera now.
that one stuff.
That jet puff. Wait, what is it? Oh,
The marshmallow.
yeah, the marshmallow fluff. Can you add more?
Doggies.
More. Good. Maybe. Probably not.
This was $5. And we're gonna use half the thing. Hey. Don't do that again.
The dogs aren't used to each other yet.
Like, they've done better, but
Yeah, they took a picture together. That was cute.
it was really tight. We'll show you later.
It was really cute.
Well, we can't show you later unless we put it up here.
We'll put it right here.
I don't want to touch it. I don't want to be dirty.
It is better than yours already. Bigger, better, badder.
So we're gonna film my sister's freaking birthday. We're gonna go surprise her at school.
Hopefully.
We gotta
We have to talk to the principal.
her principal. Boys. But yeah, we gotta talk to the principal. And hopefully,
Vlog that for you.
yeah. We're gonna, she wants Taco Bell,
Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper, and we're gonna bring balloons and make flowers.
Yeah.
Like homemade. We might go to the library. Because they got a bunch of arts and crafts stuff.
We're gonna make the Dr. Pepper homemade flowers.
She has to show me on TikTok though.
Yeah, she doesn't know what I'm talking about.
Fudge color.
It was yes. It was yes. It was less than yours. I don't know, really.
I'm gonna put more fluff.
More fluff.
More fluff. More of a
Get off me.
Oh yeah. This is definitely why it's overactive.
The colors make green and yellow.
Are you stupid?
Yes.
She said, what colors make blue and yellow? We're definitely a perfect match. We're a perfect match, bro. I pushed your hand out of the way. I don't want you to copy me.
I don't think we have to see my photos.
I don't want to.
Can you put them down so I can look too?
I don't know.
I'm using these ones. All of them?
Yeah.
All of them?
Vibrate.
Why not?
Why not? I'm doing some fruits. Be jealous. Oh, there's watermelon. Okay, we're gonna do watermelons. I need like little tweezers. Okay, screw it.
Pitch it all of them. Ah!
What?
I hate you.
Why?
I wanted to use the kiwis. I should have used all the kiwis.
I was trying to use all the kiwis.
Okay, now we're gonna show up close.
And then we're gonna show my dad and see which one he likes better.
No, your dad's biased.
Oh, he's
And we'll do poke test first.
She just said her cooch.
Can you shut up? I'm doing poke test.
Lame. Poke your finger in there. Poke it. Ew, it's gonna be so dirty.
Put it back. Put it back.
Go like this, Stan.
Fast.
Okay, now try that one. Poke it. Okay, which slime do you like better? Joe!
That one, because that one's sticky.
Not stretchy. Pick it up. That's awesome. Hello?
Out of all the girls you ended up going on quick dates with, you're saying yes to one of them, is that correct? Yes, I am. Tell me who that is.
Lydia, what if I did this to yours?
She's up.
It's not coming off. Sorry, you're.
But I hope she says yes. I do. She did try to steal me.
She wants you to
I do
Lydia's
have
one.
back on Monday.
Okay, so we're gonna find out.
Okay.
Which one do you like
better?
We're gonna find out right now.
Lydia's, because it's not so sticky.
You're washing.
Yeah, the game was going on.
It's not my hair.
That's not fair. I didn't get pre-warning. My lip is tingling. White booty.
It was in my eyes. I think you guys should vote whose was better because I personally think mine was better than hers. So, because she's got some biased family members.
Are you serious right now, bro?
We literally traded her slim. I think hers was better. Because mine was like overactivated. The Tower of Doom. So much better. Sorry. Month of
Good job. Okay, thanks for watching.
Bye.